No.
What no?
I realized it didn't talk about the corn dog itself specifically. That was ass as well. Corn dog, first of all, it was just a sausage in breading fried, and the breading was sweet for some reason. I don't know if corn dogs are supposed to be sweet, আমি জীবনে প্রথম খাইছি, but it was not 130 worth. It was just a sausage with bread coating and fried, nothing else. They stinged out on the sauces, sauce দেয় নাই ঠিকভাবে, কেমনে দিব, সসা একটু বড় বাটিতে দিবে, the container was a horrible experience and the service was slow.
Yes. No, honestly, shop, everything was disappointing. We got the burnt bread somehow. এটা খাবো না। সমস্যা নাই, অতখানিতেই হবে। মশা কামড়ায় ছোট।
Even more milk, more condensed milk, all the milk in the bread as well.
I'm just waiting. I'm not eating this without the chana though.
Side quest, bro. Some kid wants vodka. Yes.
Okay, I am not sitting down there.
Wait.
Go around. Oh no. Why is the tissue? Okay.
আমাকে 0.6 নিতে হচ্ছে।
Why though?
This is so fucking.
Lives up to the hype. You can stop recording. Oh, it is not artificial banana. Now আমাদের কি বলে burnt bread saga has ended. We moving on to kola dudh. Dudh kola. You know what? He just corrected the name. I forgot again. Okay, crossroad. Today is just bad luck after bad luck. Dudh kola খাইতে গেছিলাম. And guess what? There is no dudh kola. Kola dudh. Which one? I forgot again. Dudh kola. I settled on vanilla milk and he took badam something. Badam milk.
Nut milk.
Yeah, nut milk. এখন আমরা চুষতে আমরা ফিনলে স্কোয়ারে